Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with rear view camera, keyless entry, premium cloth seat trim, Sirius XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, rear seat center armrest, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, outside temperature display, steering wheel controls, and has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.